Now, just think what you maybe have to do. There is always a kind of garbage can. I try to fix this dust a little bit. Camsol, what is turpentine, and mix of oil. And then I can think what I do next, or is it better about like this way? I don't know. It might be fine this way too, but I'm not sure yet. It is. Oh yeah. Still hope it's not dust, sanding dust all over the place. I don't know. Let's have a look. Oh yeah. And continue some other day. Okay. Well.